Getting a business loan can be a crucial step in growing your enterprise, and David Allen Capital makes the process straightforward and quick. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you secure a loan through David Allen Capital. Step 1. Visit the website. Start by going to the David Allen Capital website. Navigate to the Business Capital section to begin your loan application. This is where you'll find all the necessary information and forms to get started. Step 2. Fill out the application. Next, you need to fill out the basic details about your business. This includes providing 3 months of your most recent bank statements and a voided check. The application form is designed to be simple and easy to complete, ensuring you can provide all required information without hassle. Step 3. Submit your application. Once your application is complete, submit it for review. David Allen Capital processes applications quickly, often providing instant approval. This means you won't have to wait long to find out if you qualify for a loan. Step 4. Review loan terms. Upon approval, review the loan terms carefully. Make sure you understand the repayment schedule, interest rates, and any other conditions associated with the loan. If everything looks good, sign the agreement to proceed. Step 5. Receive funds. After signing the agreement, funds will be deposited into your bank account. Depending on the loan amount, you can receive up to $10,000 within 10 minutes, while larger amounts are typically available within 1 to 5 business days. Securing a business loan through David Allen Capital is a streamlined process designed to support your business needs quickly and efficiently. For more detailed information or assistance, visit their website or contact their support team. For more tips and guides on business financing, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated.